Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And today we're going to review what I think of my new sweater drying rack. Okay, this was a Jarvis Clothes Drying rack, and it came in this box. So I had to put it together. Wasn't that difficult to put together. A lot of pieces, but it didn't take that long. It works wonderfully. I have already dried some sweaters on it. Did not take them very long to dry. They did not have a big puddle of water or anything underneath of them. So that was a good thing, because usually where I dried them before, I usually had water everywhere. So this was really well, did really well that way. The only problem I do have with it is it takes up a lot of space. It's 28 by 28 square. And if you don't have the space in your laundry room to put it together and leave it together, you would have to take it apart each time. Not a big deal, but it does take a little bit of time. And I'm not for sure if you can squeeze it all back into this box or not. I think you probably could. But I prefer to leave it out. I did find that it makes a good folding table for folding things. It fits beautifully for folding t-shirts and stuff. So it can be used for that purpose on a regular basis. So basically I'm very happy with it, and I do have room for it. I had to move some things around, but I do have it in a place where I think it will work out well. I have it below the clothes drying rack. Dresses are a little bit long. They have to be over to the side. May have to pull the ironing board and the table out, but I don't wear dresses that often. T-shirts fit underneath there just fine, so there's no problem that way. I just have to find a place now for my laundry baskets for when I carry the stuff outside. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. If you think about getting a sweater drying rack, highly recommend them. They dry a lot faster than just on top of a towel on the floor. And like I said, there's no mess underneath them if you wring them out well. And I'm pretty pleased with it. So remember, like, share, subscribe, and dream big, follow that dream. I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.